Beaker Creatures. It comes with two.
So the actual pack comes with 2 creatures, but you can get the other ones separately too, right?
Yeah, and there's only 1 egg.
Okay, and then you can collect them all, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
It's like 2 characters.
Oh, is that? Whoa.
This is a lot of stuff. Boxes and
Uh-oh.
I did not expect that, but I'm gonna get them. We got some scissors for the egg.
I don't think it's a scissors. I think it's like when you hold it.
Yeah,
like a.
Yeah, you like do this.
That's correct.
What do we got here? I'm gonna paint this something. What is this?
Oh, he took off the box. Good job.
Looks like a piece of chunk of peanuts. Oh, why is this so hard? Oh, it's like plastic. There we go. Okay. Come on. You twist this.
You twist that. Are you sure? Did you get it?
No. Oh, jeez.
Oh.
Why?
So these little pipey things.
See,
They go in there. Good job. You have to push it all the way in. There you go. Good job. And then you do the same thing with the other side.
You can see them doing it. I have a little egg inside of it. Now I can't cut this.
So what is that though?
So there's little creatures in here.
And this little, oh, those are the ones with the little creatures? Okay.
I feel like I really...
That's the one that will tell us which creature did Dhani get. Correct?
Yeah. This one, this piranha wants really this one.
Okay.
I want...
Well, let's see whether you get what you want or you're going to get something else,
I'm
okay?
gonna get this one. Wait. I'm gonna get this one.
Which one?
This dino.
Stumper?
Stumper. And he wants to get this one.
Flurry?
Flurry. So I'm gonna take this out and put it in here.
You're going to fill it up with water. You're going to pull that. Keep going. Good job. Okay. So this actually, guys, go in here. So it goes and clips over here in the back. So don't push it yet. Now you have to put this in there. Put it back in there. Once it's pushed in, so that's the lock that we were talking about. So it went in there.
Yeah.
And you're gonna, there you go. Good job, Dhani.
Next. And now I'm going to do it.
That's okay. Do you have enough water in there already? Try it. Show me your power. Use all your muscles. Good job. And then same thing, we're gonna put it.
I'm not gonna put it.
Yep. And then you twist it until you get this. You've got. There you go. Good job. Here you go.
Oh, yeah.
That's your second one. That goes on the other
It goes
side.
like this, right?
Yep.
Go look at the whippet. Whip it.
Can you do it? Good job. You're really strong.
Bow. Now what? So I'm gonna take this and put the egg in here. Why don't I put it? I'm just gonna use this one this time.
Okay?
Now put water. Okay?
Okay. So we put the tray over there just in case it freezes, right?
What is happening?
Can you push it down?
It's just rain.
Okay, hang on. Whoa, I think that's good enough. I know no more water is coming. I want to move this away.
Look at it doing.
What color is it?
Blue.
It's blue, fuzzy bubbles, whatever it's coming out, right?
Yeah. I can't see anything.
You can't see anything? We'll have to wait for a while.
Yeah, maybe it should come out.
We have to wait.
We'll wait for the bubbles to come out.
That is so cool.
Maybe we should wait for it.
Oh, do you think it's gonna come all the way?
Yeah. Do you think so?
Is it dripping out? No? Oh, it did! It did on your side. Did you see it? It's all here! Look at all the bubbles! Yeah! That is so cool! Are you excited to see what creature you got?
Yeah. I hope this guy gets his picture.
You gonna try to take it out and see if he's out yet, or?
Yeah. I can feel if he's out.
Okay.
I feel like he's gonna drop.
It's like a...
I feel the egg. It's not done yet.
Are you sure?
No, I feel it.
Do you want to lift it up and show it? Let's see. Oh, it's fuzzy again.
I can't take it out.
No, you can't.
Let's see if it drops. Get out of my chair.
It's still bubbling. I can see it. That is so cool.
Yeah, it's just bubbles all popping.
I think this is really good thing for like good experiment stuff, huh? For the other kids.
Oh, I feel it.
Did you get it?
No. I hope it comes out soon. When it's gonna come out.
Well, why don't you try taking it out then?
Oh, I feel it.
Oh, he's not done yet. Do you think it needs more water in it?
No.
Did it get you in your eye? Good. Did it work?
Yes.
You see it? Try putting more water in. See what happens.
It's like a volcano.
Oh, it comes. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
It does look like a volcano, huh?
I'm gonna take this.
A blue volcano, do you think?
Looks like a water volcano.
Did you get your creature? You see it? It has to stay in there a little bit longer, I think.
Maybe like 100.
That's it. Are you having fun, Dhani?
Yeah. Looks like a volcano.
Is it a messy thing to do?
Yeah.
Do you like messy stuff?
Yeah.
Do you think other kids will like it?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Like it. Got nothing.
It's still going?
Yeah. How long is it gonna take?
Dhani, it looks like all the water is gone down. Do you want to try? See if you can find your creature. Oh, no, be careful. Don't pull the whole thing out. Just gently on the top, whatever is floating. There you go. There you go. You found something. There's your little creature. He's inside in the little thing.
What did I get?
Here you go. You can put him in here.
Which did I get?
I don't know. You're gonna wipe him. See if you can open it now. You can open it.
Oh yeah, we got puffer fish. This is a weird puffer fish.
Let me see. It's a puffer fish.
Which one do we get?
Testing the second color. The second bowl, right?
Yeah. What's going on? Checkmate!
Try putting more water in it.
Yeah.
And see what happens. Whoa, we can see the fuzzy things at the bottom. Can you see it?
Yeah. 3 hours later.
3 hours later.
That's just
Look at that, so cool.
yeah, it's so many bubbles in my side.
Oh, is it? So you're gonna try taking it out, see if it's done?
Yes. This egg grabber. I don't think it's done.
You don't think so?
You think so? Why isn't it coming out?
Oh, I don't think it's done yet.
Say boo!
You think it's ready?
Yeah.
Be careful, be careful.
Do it.
You're pulling the bottom part out. Just gently, it should be floating up there. You got it!
Oh, I don't know which one I get.
Yeah.
Which one I get.
Yeah, you can do that. Try to use your spoon things to scoop it out again. No, yep. Good job. Let's see what you got.
Dad, I hope we get my... What in the world is this?
What did you get? Like an octopus or something?
It only has one eye. Blue.
Blurk? So he's right here.
I'm really excited. I wanted this one, and this one.
Okay, so what we have to do is, when we go to the store, we'll try to find if they sell more, right?
I hope you guys like my video and hope you